You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more confusing names from football that too many people mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. He plays for the Real Madrid in Spain and the French national team, so because he's a French citizen. So in French, Eduardo Camavinga, Camavinga, Eduardo Camavinga. So in English you can say it as Eduardo Camavinga. You know, that's easy. In Spanish, similarly, Eduardo Camavinga. You know, the V is pronounced like a B, but you can pronounce it like a V. Eduardo Camavinga, or Eduardo Camavinga, or Eduardo Camavinga. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.